Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
Well, I think one of the greatest things that is facing the country now, like you rightly said, is the security situation. And to me, it's not new because fortunately we had gone through this before. Between 1967 to January of 1970, we went through a civil war. In the process, we lost a lot of lives, the Nigerian lives. And the best that we could do for this country today, for the sake of those people who lost their lives, to keep this country one. The challenges we have now as a nation is to make sure that their lives are not lost in vain. They lost these lives for the sake of keeping this country one. And we must maintain that we have to honor those who lost their lives. Over 1 million people have lost their lives for the sake of this country. And the best honor we could do for them is to live by what they hope to achieve at that time. Well, I think I see it as in a bigger picture. The whole concept of what is the debate that is currently going on in the country is the restructuring. And I see what they are clamoring for is part of the restructuring. We are a federation, and the federating units should have certain amount of autonomy in local government, economy in state government, institutions that are quite strong, or institutions that are needed for the development of this country should be given certain level of autonomy so that they can be able to, to me, this is what kills impunity in public service.